take 4 of Yin Yoga. This is my last take. It's not working for me today filming, so I'm gonna just try to finish the pose we're on so I can wrap it up. We went into our swan and our sleeping swan. You're lengthening your spine. You're gonna feel how you have to really release this hip, this glute. I can't even remember which leg I was on. I'm on the good side now, okay. Because I had left cramping on the other side and I had right glute cramp on this side, I'm okay. So we switch sides, we're in our sleeping swan. Let that tailbone lengthen. Maybe Mercury's in retrograde when you try to do stuff and then it just, the universe has other plans. I'm just gonna go with it. Such is life.